Are you improving or not? Are you practicing English or not? I don't know, but I am improving. I am practicing English every day, anywhere. If you want to learn, if you want to speak, if you want to improve, then you should practice English. Then you should speak English every single day, little by little, day by day. You can try to speak, you can listen English, you can speak English, you can read English. You remember, the more read, the more learn, I think so. You should read also, you should learn English, new words every day, to make new sentences. Without knowing words, you will never speak, you will never make sentences. Now I am here, so I will try to speak whatever I see, whatever I do, whatever I think. I try to speak in English, so if I make mistake, please correct me. I always practice English like this way, naturally or practically. Whatever I am doing, I try to explain in English. I think there are so many learners, they are following this technique to practice English, to improve their English fluency. So I am also try to practice English like this way, and I really enjoy to practice English like this way. If I practice English like this way, I remember all things easily, and when I need to remember that time, my mind, my brain will help me to remember all things. So that's why I follow this technique every day. And now it's rainy season is going on, as you know. Have a look the weather, cloudy and gloomy. I think it looked like it will rain again. That's why I don't like rainy season. Every time rain, rain, rain. Even I cannot come outside, I cannot go outside also, I cannot do everything. That's why I don't like. And the road is muddy also, muddy or wet. The roof is wet. Have a look, it has been raining since yesterday, on and off. Now it has the rain has stopped for a while. That's why I come outside, and I thought that how about making a video. But the cool wind is blowing, I feel cold, and I thought I will clean my roof. But have a look, the rain will come again. So what the use of cleaning? If I clean, then rain will come, so no need to clean. And I will go on one, I will clean on one. The last night my ground was full of water. Have a look, and I want to show you one thing. So let me see you have a, sorry, let me show you. Have a look here. It's a bird nest, and there are 3 eggs. The bird, have you seen or not? Let me know clearly, because my camera is not correct. I think it's not clear properly. 3 eggs are here, and the birds laid 3 eggs here. The bird nest, in the bird nest. And Siri doesn't know where the bird nest. If she know, I think she will check again and again. That's why I didn't tell her, and I won't tell her. You always when she get free time, she will come and she will check. That's why I didn't tell her. And now I am practicing English like this way. I know I make mistake, but I don't think, at least after practicing English, at least after practicing English with myself every day, every practice, I feel happy. And that once time I used to thought that, I used to think I never speak English, but really nowadays I am being able to speak English. That's why I feel happy. And like this way, every day, every practice, it will help me a lot to improve my fluency, to improve my skill. So if you try to speak English like this way, everything, whatever you are doing, what you see, what you think, you try to speak in English, you try to learn like this way, you try to make conversation with others. Then if you have any practice partner, then you can practice English like others. So but I don't have any practice partner, so I practice English with myself. Most of time I practice English with myself, and sometimes I practice English with my daughters. Whenever I am coming here outside, whenever I am doing other activity, I try to speak in English. So I think you will learn something new from my video. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe and keep watching English relative video every day. Never skip English relative video, never skip. At least if you want to learn in English language, if you want to improve your English fluency, English skill, then I think you should keep watching English relative video every day, every time. No matter where are you from, you are from village or town, it doesn't matter. You try. I think if you work hard, your hard work will pay off. So please try to practice English. Thank you.